Hey there! Thank you for watching my new video. I've got a new pattern or a new stitch for you, and it's this one. And it's called the falling bricks stitch because it looks like all bricks that are falling down. And this is how it looks, front and the back. And there was not a finishing row for here. So normally the bricks will be like this pointy. So I figured out what would be the best way to make it straight. So this is what I come up with. So I'll show you that at the end of when we are done. And you need to repeat row 2 and 3. So I'm going to show you how you can crochet this falling brick stitch. So I've got my yarn. I've got a crochet hook of 4.5 millimeters. And first I'm going to make a slip knot. And your foundation chain is a multiple of 6 plus 1 plus 4. I'm going to explain why it's like that. So first make a multiple of 6. So I made my multiples of 6, and then I need to add one more chain. And now we need to add 4 more chains because we need to go up to make the first brick. So chain 4 more. Now we're going to skip 7 stitches from the hook to make row 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in the 8th stitch you're going to make a double crochet. Now chain 3, and around that double crochet we just made we're going to make 5 double crochets. Just 5 double crochets around that one double crochet. So here's your first brick you just made. Now we're going to skip 2 chains. So here's your double crochet, so skip 2 chains, and the next one make a single crochet. What I'm going to show you next is what you're going to repeat for the rest of this row. Chain 3, skip 2 stitches, and the next one make a double crochet. Chain 3, and around the double crochet you just made, make 5 double crochets. Now skip 2 stitches, so here you just made your double crochet, skip 2 stitches, and the next one make a single crochet. Chain 3, skip 2 stitches, and the next one make a double crochet. Chain 3, and make 5 double crochets around the double crochet you just made. So continue this until you are at the end of your row and you have 3 stitches left. So make a single crochet when you skip 2 chains, chain 3, and skip 2 chains, make a double crochet, chain 3, and then make 5 double crochets around the double crochet you just made, etc. for the rest of your row. So when you have 3 stitches left, make 1 single crochet in the last stitch. So this is what row 1 looks like. Now for row 2 I'm gonna chain 6 and we're going to turn our work, and the chain 6 counts as a treble crochet, chain 2. Now let's go over to the first chain 3 space. So you have your 5 double crochets over here and then a chain 3 space, and in that chain 3 space we're going to make 1 single crochet. Now chain 3, and go over to the next chain 3 space over here and make a double crochet. I'm just going to make it around that chain 3 space. Now chain 3, and around that double crochet you just made, make 5 double crochets. So you're going to make the next brick. You can see they're coming diagonal like this. Now let's go over to the next chain 3 space. So here's your brick from row 1, and here's your chain 3 space over here. Make a single crochet. Now chain 3, go over to the next chain 3 space from the previous row and make a double crochet. Now chain 3, and around the double crochet you just made, make 5 double crochets. What you need to keep in mind that, well, for me you can see I have 3 bricks on row 1. And for row 2 there's 1 less brick, so there are 2 bricks. So every row will be different. So one row will be having 3 bricks and the next row will be having 2 bricks. So one row is just 1 brick less. Okay, so now for the next brick of row 1, go to the chain 1 space over here and make a single crochet. And I'm at the end, so I need to make a straight edge over here. So chain 3, and then in this chain 7 space over here we're going to make a treble crochet. So yarn over twice on the top here around it, chain 7 space, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. If you like it better to make it in a stitch, that's okay too, but for me this is more convenient to make it around a stitch, but you can choose to make it in a stitch. So now for row 3, chain 4, turn your work. In this first chain 3 space we're gonna make a double crochet and then chain 3. So when we are making the bricks it's all just the same, but you need to keep in mind how to end the rows. So around the double crochet we just made, make 5 double crochets. Now let's go over to the next brick of the previous row. In the chain 3 space over here make a single crochet and then chain 3. Into the next chain 3 space make 1 double crochet, chain 3, and around that double crochet you just made make 5 double crochets. Go over to the next brick over here and in the chain 3 space make 1 single crochet, chain 3, and then around that next chain 3 space over here make a double crochet, chain 3, and around that double crochet make 5 double crochets. So I'm at the end of the row for me. So continue doing this until you are at the end of your row. And now you have your chain 6 space over here. And in the fourth from the bottom, so 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm gonna make a treble crochet. So yarn over twice in that stitch. You can also choose to make it around that chain 6 space, but for this part I like it better to make it into the fourth chain. So draw up a loop and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that was row 2. I'm going to show you one more time row 2 and row 3. So chain 6, turn your work. In the chain 3 space, that first one, make a single crochet, chain 3. Over to the next chain 3 space, make 1 double crochet, chain 3. And around that double crochet, make 5 double crochets. Let's go over to the next chain 3 space, make a single crochet, chain 3, and into the next chain 3 space make 1 double crochet, chain 3, around that double crochet make 5 double crochets, and I'm at the end now. So here's the last brick of the previous row. In a chain 3 space we're gonna make a single crochet, then chain 3, and then here in that chain 4 space over here I'm gonna make a treble crochet. So you can choose to make it in a stitch or around that stitch, it's just what you prefer. Now for row 3, chain 4, and then into that first chain 3 space make a double crochet, chain 3, and around that double crochet make 5 double crochets. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit because it's just repeating. Let's go over to the next chain 3 space and make a single crochet, chain 3, to the next double crochet, or in the next chain 3 space make a double crochet, chain 3, around that double crochet make 5 double crochets, into the next chain 3 space make a single crochet, chain 3, around that next chain 3 space over here make a double crochet, chain 3, around the double crochet make 5 double crochets, and then over here when you have your chain 6 I'm gonna make a treble crochet in the 4th chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So just repeat row 2 and row 3, and when you want to have a straight edge, if you like to have it like this it's okay, and if you want to have a straight edge you can make chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn your work, and in that first chain 3 space make a single crochet, chain 6. Let's go over to the next brick in that chain 3 space, make a single crochet, chain 6. Let's go over to the next brick, and in that chain 3 space make a single crochet. Now I'm at the end, I'm gonna chain 1, and in that first stitch over here, or just in the chain 4 space, make a double crochet. And here's how you can get a straight edge. And if you want some more single crochets or whatsoever, then make 2 stitches over here, and then this will be pointy too. So this is what I wanted to show you. I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, put on the notifications so you get a message when I upload a new video. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. Bye bye.